Welcome to the first episode of YTCN, the YouTube cruise news show where we talk about what everybody else is talking about in the online cruise community. Think of it kind of as an entertainment tonight for YouTube. This week's edition features ninjas, sold cruise ships, travel insurance, and ends with a small channel shout out. Who will it be? Stick around until the end to see. It should not be a surprise that more cruises are getting canceled, and Jay over at the ShipLife goes into more detail about it and when he thinks things might be resuming. In his video uploaded January 13th, he talks about what cruise line just lost $2.2 billion and are going to be selling more ships in order to compensate. Like I said, you can learn about that over on the ShipLife, and the links to all the channels I'm talking about will be, of course, in the description below. Tony over at Lido Loca posted a really interesting video talking about if you should pay off your cruise or wait. In this video that went online January 13th, Tony poses an interesting question about what's happening with the money that we've paid the cruise line in the form of deposits, and if it's safer in the cruise line's bank or in our bank. And he also talked about something that I never would have thought about in relation to how canceled cruises turn into future cruise credits plus a discount, and how it can almost be an advantage if your cruise does get canceled. So if you want to hear all those details, go check out La Lido Loca. Want to find out if you're a packing techie or if you've achieved ninja status? Well, float on over to CruiseTips TV's very creative packing personality video and the follow-up video. Sherry came up with 6 kinds of packing personalities, and it's so true. I watched both of the videos, and it's like a horoscope for your kind of travel preparation type. Personally, I think I'm somewhere between a Packosaurus and a last-minute Larry, and I am definitely not the packing boss. So if you want to be entertained and learn a little bit more about your cruise packing personality, go over to CruiseTips TV and check it out. Wait! Before you book, ask yourself these questions. That's what Emma Cruises talks about in her upload from January 8th. Emma goes through a list of 5 things that you should be clear about before you book a cruise, and if you should even be booking a cruise at all right now. For instance, if you're not comfortable with life as it is at the moment, with masks being required and social distancing and probably no self-serve buffets and things like that, if you're not comfortable with that now, it's probably not a good idea to be booking a cruise anytime in 2021 with the hopes that by then things will be back to normal, because we really have no way of knowing. Emma goes into way more detail, and I think she also said something about travel insurance, but I'm not sure. If she did, it went by really fast, and I'm sure it's not important to her, but go check out the video and let me know if she did say something about travel insurance. I don't know. And before I get to the small channel shout out, let me give a special shout out to one of the biggest channels, Don's Family Vacations. Don just passed 100,000 subscribers. Wow. That's amazing, and I am totally jealous. Congratulations from me, Don, and for all of you watching, if you haven't gone over to congratulate him yet, please go and do that. Moving on to the small channel shout out. In this recurring segment, I will feature an up-and-coming channel that I think is doing a great job and just needs a little more attention. This week's SCSO goes out to NYC Rocks, who have a ton of really great, really happy, positive cruise vlogs on their channel. One thing I really like about these two is they're not afraid to do active, adventurous things, even though they're not like teenagers anymore, like me. I mean, I am also not a teenager anymore. Not like me, a teenager. They go play laser tag, they go to the silent disco, they are not afraid to have a good time, and a lot of times I'll be watching their videos and think, okay, if they could do it, Marcus and I could do it too. So, hey Marilyn and Frank, here's your small channel shout out. I hope this helps grow your channel. If you want to be featured on this segment, then send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram with a link to your channel and let me know what you think it is that you do that sets you apart from all the rest. Thanks for tuning in to this premiere edition of YTCN. As always, I'm thankful for your feedback in the comments below, and I will be featuring many different channels along the way as the series continues. And just to clear something up, a question that I'm sure some of you have already know, this is not replacing Sunday Sofa Time. I will be live this Sunday online to tell you about what the hell else has been going on in my life the last few weeks. It involves some good drama, some not so good drama, and includes cleaning up pools of blood in my apartment. How's that for a cliffhanger? See you Sunday.